Building in Florida. Good Friday morning. As you can see, there's been a lot of progress. The roof is 100% dried in with the base sheet, so we put peel and stick, or you guys call it ice and water shield, on the whole thing. You notice the whole second floor, liquid applied waterproofing. This particular product self-seals around nails. It is 100% waterproof, but it is vapor permeable, so I won't get the trapped moisture and all that frame. The parapets, those will get caps with standoffs made of concrete. Everything else will get stuccoed over with another drainage plane, so no worries about rotting. The interior, they're just starting to do interior framing, so I'll go to another video, another short one from the back shortly. So if you have any questions, just reach out to Rich at Mighty House or Ron at Mighty House, and we'll get right back to you.